Have you ever dreamed of turning your woodworking passion into a thriving income stream? Well, today, you're in for a treat because we're diving into the top 20 ways to make more money with your woodworking. Whether you're a small shop owner, a passionate hobbyist, or a crafty artisan, these strategies will help you boost your woodworking income to new heights. 1. Diversify your product line. Offering a wide range of products can attract a broader customer base. Explore niches like furniture, crafts for home or office, and custom pieces to keep your creativity flowing. More products equals more opportunities for you, and more buy buttons online for your customers. 2. Customization and personalization. Customization is the name of the game, where it seems appropriate. Clients love personalized items, and they're willing to pay a premium for them. Tailor your creations to their specific needs and watch your income soar. 3. Online sales and e-commerce. In today's digital age, an online presence is a must. Setting up an online store on platforms like Etsy or Shopify expands your reach to a global market. Don't underestimate the power of e-commerce in boosting your woodworking income. 4. Social media marketing. Now, let's talk about social media. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are fantastic for showcasing your work. Engage with your audience, share your creative process, and build a loyal following. More eyes on your work mean more potential customers. 5. Craft fairs, shows, and markets are goldmines for woodworkers. They offer invaluable exposure and direct sales opportunities. Setting up a booth at local markets can introduce your woodworking business to a whole new audience. 6. Wholesale and consignment. Wholesaling and consignment sales can be smart moves. Partner with local boutiques or gift shops to sell your items. It's a win-win. They get unique products, and you get a broader audience. Expand your reach and income potential. 7. Workshops and classes. Ready to share your expertise? Offering woodworking workshops or classes is a fantastic way to earn while you educate. Pass on your skills to others and watch your income grow through your training. 8. Subscriptions or monthly buyers clubs. Why not consider subscriptions or monthly clubs? These can provide a recurring income stream. Deliver new woodworking projects or materials that are somewhat related to earlier purchases. With subscribers, sales are on autopilot. 9. Repurpose and upcycle. Get creative with repurposing and upcycling. Turn scrap wood or reclaimed materials into unique, marketable pieces. Not only is it eco-friendly, but it can also attract customers looking for something distinctive. And you can save a lot of money in the process. 10. Licensing and royalties. If you've got unique designs or woodworking plans, think about licensing them to other woodworking shops. Earn royalties from the sale of your intellectual property. It's a great way to generate passive income that adds up over time. 11. Upsell and add-ons. Offer additional services like custom finishes, sets, engraving, or delivery for an extra fee. Upselling can significantly increase your average order value, resulting in more income per project. 12. Network and collaborate. Don't go it alone. Build relationships with other artisans, crafters, and business owners. Collaborate on projects and cross-promote each other's work. With a little creative thinking, you can tap into new markets and customer bases. 13. Think big with bulk orders and contracts. Target businesses or organizations that need larger quantities of your products. Contract work for interior design firms, restaurants, stores, and more can provide a steady income source. 14. Online courses and tutorials. Share your woodworking wisdom by creating and selling online courses or tutorials. Teach others the skills you've mastered while earning from your expertise. There are numerous platforms available that make it easy to create a win-win for you and your students. 15. Customer loyalty programs. Repeat customers are the best customers. Reward loyal customers with discounts, early access to products, or exclusive offers. Building customer loyalty can lead to repeat business and a stable income stream. 16. Market research and trend analysis. Stay ahead of the game by keeping up with woodworking trends and market demands. Adjust your product offerings to match customer preferences and stay competitive in the market. 17. Invest in efficiency and quality. Invest in your workshop's efficiency to increase production capacity. Maintaining high-quality standards justifies premium pricing, allowing you to earn more per project. 18. Build strong branding. A strong brand is invaluable. Develop a recognizable and trusted brand that resonates with your target audience. Well-established brands can command higher prices. Start where you are and build a solid reputation. Make use of customer testimonials and reviews. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and testimonials. Positive feedback builds credibility, comfort, and trust, attracting more customers to you. 20. Continual learning and skill enhancement. Never stop learning and honing your skills. The more skilled you become, the more you can charge for your work. Investing in your own growth is an investment in your income. And that is your ultimate guide to making more money from your woodworking. These 20 strategies, from diversifying your product line to continuous learning, are the keys to boosting your woodworking income. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe for more woodworking business insights, tips, and inspiration. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, your woodworking journey is not just a passion, it's a path to prosperity.